Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make gummies. Our ingredients are a packet of flavored gelatin, 1/3 of water, molds for the gummies of course, and if you want to make your gummies sour, you can take some lemonade powder, but make sure it has citric acid. And you can, when it's done, and you can sprinkle it on. And it also helps to let it not stick that much. So let's get started. So our first step is to take our flavored powder, and we take that. Cut scissors. And then we can take it down all in. Okay. Now our next step is take our 1/3 of water. Ooh, it's so wet. Yay! Finally. Now we mix. Now when we mix, it doesn't need to be fully dissolved because we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So we don't need it in the microwave. It will actually dissolve by itself. But we will try our best to dissolve what we can, and then we'll put it in the microwave. And it will dissolve the rest by itself. Okay. Doesn't need to be fully, huh? Now after we've done that, we can put it into this, so we can put it in the microwave. That's gonna drip. Now we're gonna take this and put it in the microwave. Bye, I'll be back in 1 minute. Guys, I'm back. Now we're going to put the mixture into the molds. So, after we're done with that, we put that aside so it can cool down. I've done this before, so I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's done. This is how it will look like when you put it in the gummy worm mold. And this is how it looks like when you put it in the cup mold. This is how it looks like. So now I'm going to put the lemonade. And I'm going to try it. That didn't taste that good. So, if you like this video, smash that subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!